pestello, food. Mortaio and pestello. As you see, you have one mortaio for 2-3 people because you need to work hard in a short time. Today we have a lot of time. Today we will work until 12 o'clock after you have lunch. So we have a good time. But the moment that we work time is limited. So you need to be stronger, you need to work, you need to collaborate. And you know, be ready. The land of Pesto, we are in Liguria, in this beautiful region of Italy called Liguria. The best basil of Italy come from here, from Liguria. Where? Genova. Now we are in Cinque Terre. First city is La Spezia. Next city is Genova. Best basil of Italy come from Genova. That's the reason why sometimes when you go on a restaurant, instead of pasta with pesto, they sometimes they una minoranza.
Hay una salsiccia
arriva da Praga. Siamo in Liguria, la patria del basilico del pesto. Genova Praga, una piccola zona di Genova. E cresce questo basilico, è molto delicato. Vi chiedo di fare molta attenzione, raccogliete il basilico foglia a foglia. Non lo rovinate, mi raccomando. But now I tell you an Italian meaning that you can use at home when you're angry, when you're crazy, when you're nervous with someone. In Italy, we always say when you're nervous, stop, or di pesto.
Di pesto.
Di pesto means I can fight with you. I'm aggressive. So no more. If you go on Google and you write about the pesto recipe, they always say that. Molto delicato, ragazzi. That means you have 2 plants at the beginning. You already know that the maximum quantity, 2 teaspoons, but then you put on the side. You start with all the leaves that you have, olive oil on the lemon, ice, cold water, take out the water, try to filter, shake it, and then garlic, salt, small quantity, the basil, and a little bit of this spice quantity. Now, about the cheese. It will be a lot of Parmigiano, like the 90% of Parmigiano and 10% Pecorino. That means if you have no Pecorino at home, there's not a big problem. And then with the other hand, you go crazy on top. Come on.
Cheese.
But now,
Oh, fantastic.
Well, 10, 15, 20 seconds after, you see that flavor of fish? Okay, now, before we end this beautiful class, there are 23 people working in this beautiful project. We have 2 different shops in the town, a cantina in the beginning of the town. It's beautiful, I love wine again, I'm a sommelier. And with Sarah, a beautiful girl, we go in the vineyard through the sunset. It's so interesting. Everyone's over there.
Yeah.
Direi quello lì, tanto io meglio che lo fanno. Voglio togliere, faccio vedere.